Hello, hi, beautiful people. This is your girl, Pablo the MC, your favorite MC, your voiceover artist, and your presenter. And welcome to yet another beautiful episode of the EXPOSEe, baby. We are back like we never left. And yabona manje guys, should manje clean, man. Yabona manje keep this smelling your moyeze. Okay, we better guest yamila guys. But before, and auntie says we like her saying, so when I feel comfortable, we say, make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time we drop. And this is the EXPOSEe. Spoon on my files, guys. Keep on my files, keep on my pull.
Don't be saying how much I remember this.
I type. What's your type? I got two.
When you shadi.
No, that's the work kitchen. I am just going to allow my guest to introduce herself, guys. Okay, so please introduce yourself to my viewers.
Greetings to one and all. My name is KATLEGO BUTHELEZI and I'm going to the EXPOSEe.
Let's just not to phone Okay, guys, without wasting any time, and so we had posted on our social media platforms for one of our supporters to come through and just have a chill with Pablo the MC and let us have a talk about the EXPOSEe, man. Recapping while talking about a recap, I had an episode with Umendi Kutlano, who was known as Umakosi, guys. As I want to see different, like from her perspective, from my perspective, Sure. So like, why would you allow into say it crash my dreams? I mean, it's everyone's dream. I mean, right? But we are not here to discriminate. We are not here to discourage. But however, okay, good one. Yo, askis, okay, so wabona post what time man ngifuna ukuya yini into yenza ukuthi uthi yazini ithi nyaya lapha ngifuna ukubhema no Pablo yini into yenza ukuthi yazini uyicommit nje ukuthi yazini Pablo ngiyena.
Okay guys, first things first, lo sisi lona ngibona usisi omdala kuye, so njengoba wangihleli lalela, it's a privilege lalela, but also like in the EXPOSEe, since nje ngilandelela ngiyabona ukuthi it's not only about ukexpose abantu keep indaba zabantu asangaqeda isikolo walala, no siko lapho ngiyabona ukuthi khona iexposure abantu abayitholela kuviyokazi mina bengamazi, yabo makafoma ukubukela the EXPOSEe ngiyabona exactly, so ina positive sides lakhona.
Yeah, so ke lana kusikhuluma kabi as EXPOSEe mesothola umuntu ongaphandle like umuntu nje omokushaya 8 o'clock every Sunday or noma kunini EXPOSEe metropa ulayitile notification bell wabona notification yethi EXPOSEe wathi ngiyayibukela
swing
hade boss okay sharp guys, so yeah, regarding that, so we recap, like I'm connecting with my supporter, right? Yes, guys, but yeah, we enjoy unkulunkulu tepabalo bizarro. Yeah, so who was your favorite? And like, how many episodes does the EXPOSEe have? Are you talking about How many episodes does the EXPOSEe have?
There's no sis one is
Is it not? No, is it not?
Make a show.
Okay. Amongst all our episodes, like namanga yourself, guys. Guys, okay, go on my episodes. Which one would you say? Yeah, yabona le ufundise something. Like outside of ukuthi sharp, lo bam expose la ufundise something.
Okay,
yeah.
Ukutlwana.
Yeah.
Ngoyibeka ukutlwana first. Ukutlwana ungithachile a lot because of nami last year I had to like make scholar and sure. So I kind of related to her, but also ngabona ukuthi mawumuntu
Yeah.
akumelanga uyekele like omunye umuntu like ukuthi akungene engqondweni to a point where you like now wanna drop out of school nani. So ngiyabona ukuthi you're not supposed to be weak mawumuntu. I understand because I find that ukuhlano ukhozi ungenze waba weak to a point where as I discuss because we can singeke sizama ukuyishuka kota sithi uyeke isikolo because of this and that.
Okay.
But siyabona ukuthi ukhozi is the one. So you just have control over yourself.
Okay, I kind of get you also because I was a bit touched and I was like, I want this girl on my show. Like, because you never know who's currently going through what Butlano went through. The expose this girl says something. Because manje at least azange at a high. Because of what this particular person did, but let me just get my life back. And
now she's on her feet.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. And she's doing great, by the way. Nyambona we brand ambassador, she's a promoter.
Shout out.
Like like okay, so that was very educational to you because you kind of related to it. And which was your favorite episode? Like your favorite
Yeah, she held the show.
She held it. She held it.
Mm.
She was also my favorite guest. Also, Ustufuza like yo marana. Mengihleli phambi kwakhe ngiyabona ukuthi yo. La mele ngikhuluma like mele ngisigadi. Uyathanda manje Ustufuza bathusha umama abantu.
Ustufuza ke lo shapa.
Hi man. No, Mara, like, and I mean, like the energy that she brought a show in, because because of whatever they hear on social media. Mara, when I'm Uza Sindjalela, Pablo, I will call so, Mara, so, nah, two hands, Mama said Japan. Yeah. So, what did you think of Pogba?
To be quite honest, I need one episode.
Really? Okay, let's talk about our recent one. I'm talking about distinction. I wanna like something, man. Like
the distinct. So guys, the expose mara distinction. I
you're not principals. Okay, as cool like what did you think about Itamaya Kopeto Cows? How big look by manje 2 minutes for sake one about 2 times a day now. Oh maybe Lorenzo Begam Kumbus and Mapilis Mara Upeto Begam Kumbus. So imagine when Kabangan man I don't get your darling. Time man.
Shem, I'm point on it. Bayenza time to Zavoko. Bangalanga. I'm not shy.
Guys, Upeto Utayindu. And then you're so that is sitting in a because now you are IT. I'm a leader.
I'm not shy.
Yes, yes, I'm a I will see you guys after the ad break. It's okay. From here, you guys don't forget, this is the expose. Mina guys, and this is our pink gin. It is infused with berries, handcrafted and from our finest African botanicals to produce our premium finest gin. Ekoli, the spirit of Africa, not for sale to persons under the age of 18. Welcome back from the ad break, guys. So this is where we'll be taking questions from my content producer and my director. No. Guys, like she has arrived. So yeah, guys, this is where we answer questions from the ghost lady, no ghost man. Okay, guys, so I was asked UBT, what do I think about 1.5? Guys, 1.5, because we don't say we did it. Unati was 10. So what happened? I invited Nati to the expose, right? So unatsangitshela ukuthi for the appearance he charges 1.5.
Ma-appetito.
Yo guys okay, let me just tell you guys what I think about Unathi Wasematheni. Like content, I appreciate it's great, like it's very entertaining, like he's getting the exposure that he's been longing for, like a man Hi, but guys, aside it's not a content creator, like we are creatives, I understand, yeah, but also this is the industry, guys, and the industry is huge. Right? So, and it comes to a point whereby, I mean, I artists, even your big artists, my are above favor for favor, you know, but it's fine. If that's not in your caliber, if that's not in your whatever, the way sometimes I'm no, because of certain reasons, this is how much I charge. You can't be, okay, Mina personally, Nyazi, abanye nama views are different. Yeah, but it's okay, Mara. Now he's trying to get the money, he's trying to get the cash. But my chat is, who creates a content in Abanya band? Imagine if I was who this and it's okay. For the things that you are saying about me. You know, Tina, we want to bring you, it's okay. Sikazi said, why when I went around, 1.5. 1.5. Actually, Pablo needs 1.5. Mina, need to okay shop. Need pay number so that we can speak further at why. So honestly, like in all honesty, I feel like umuntu mesekas bonangati he's getting the views and everything. Like ucabanga ukuthi views and big gun. And my chat is sharp. You have the views and also what else do you have? Just views. Come on. Yeah, so my director was basically saying lento yenze Unathi Wasematheni like industry okhulu in a way, because we've had in a way, like that's what I mean, like people have so much impact in social media. Yeah, but I mean exactly, you know, like ufika manje, like fana ukuthi sha I'm an MC now, but maybe I've created my 3 shows, but my 4 shows. Some big, some charge 5,000. Now, please put me on. Who else is gonna notice you?
Exactly.
You know, so I understand if director made in a way, but season team, if you it's okay, man. Like it's okay. Man.
It's not smart.
Guys, okay, this is the question from one of the fans. Uguti, is it true? Uguti, main shooter uvuyogazi vele beganunga. Guys, nzokulimikiliza umntana bataganunga mina ngizwangaphunga like angizwanga next like personally bengeke ngiqhubeke ngishuthe if vele beganunga. Like angizwanga umntana abantu anunga mina like in all
bengizomtshela
and bengizomtshela ngithi kusho ukuthi ufuza bekhona uqiniso utsho mina like bengizomtshela guys, so manje mina angizange umntana abantu anuka guys yabo, like leyo futhi angifuni ukuqamba mangithi vele akanuki umntana abantu akanuki like akanuki like abantu baba guys akanuki umntana abantu
yanuka
nawazela niyambona lo ufuna ukungishayisa
Stupuza ngiyamthemba Stupuza
guys makukhulumiqiniso guys mina ngimnjanga umntana abantwana asivalile ivale mfana ivale guys director yami uthi uhlangane no-Nation ne Mr. Nation things ne isifika
usazele
ngiyahleka nje guys mamelani ne udirector yami uthi yena uhlangane no-Nation ane u-Nation athi lento beyikhuluma uStufuza ukuthi uphuma evenda ayikho
wena ngokwakho
mina ngokwami ini
uyayibelieve leyo
when you believe
ubuza wena
when uyamazi phezulu mamel uyamazi u-Nation
angazi that's what ngibuza wena
hade boss mina
yeah siyamazi uqashuka wena
mara wabuza mina
kodwa siyamfuna lo ngizomthavia ku the EXPOSEe
guys mina ngazi unation igama lakho Sibonelo Khuzwayo, right? And khona man from the comment section kule episode yakavuyo yakaStufuza khona ushilo bani kuthi hayi lo muntu lo akaphuma eveno ngoba igama lakho Sibonelo ngisho into abayishilo kanti bayibheka
no
igama lakho Sibonelo Khuzwayo and mina usuka kuphi eNatal. So angithi nation mekaqala beka uZulu nation because why he's Zulu, right? And he's from KZN. Okay. So mega figure in your mind you love points never ngifuna a busy man. So mamela hey and you are Zulu nation ngizana
nation wajala kashuka wena wajala maka ubatla
I'll call you to formation.
Akuba mfanaka.
Angivuni. Yamazvuta.
Bathi angazi ubani long face kanjani.
No. Mamela, guys. Just to answer your question. Just to answer your question. Sibonelo akaphuma event. That's it. Uzongithini?
Mina akuzolile isixova guys. Over. Cela nje ungumele bhuti wami.
But my friend, why bazojujola naye ungajolini?
Uzabona.
Actually ukuthi wena uyazi. Angeke ngivele ngikusukele ngithi abantu ujola nonation. Angeke.
Ngifuna ukungabanisa no Blompoto mara. Yeah. Ngibatla ngiqabanisa le ball Blompoto. Maka okay sharp. To make things clear, jole nje mina no stuff. Ayikaze yajola.
Uke wakushela.
Yeah, dala bengena grade 6. Into bazodanda baza izolo.
Bathini? Asa. No, but kukatlego guys. So it's actually not so. What ucabangani ngecrew because angithi ngisikhuluma kabili la guys like yabo. So batshela what's your experience so far njengobuhleki nathi as you create the expose?
Question umbuzo wanje nethele mina. Ngikhuluma kabi into engayazi. Ngike nahlala la. So, that's ngikhuluma
nama kuba bahlali kanje abanama white couches.
Okay, asiva. Bazobe bathi wena ingane
and
wena unjalo. Guys, si right lana simnandi si fresh nani yabona kuyahlekwa kiki kaka. So why ungazi 1.5 ungasiphapheli. Kuyela kuwe wena 1.5. Angithi ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyahleka and mina asumuntu ohleka into engekho. So kusho ukuthi kumnandi la. Cela nizeni ku the expose side inviting and invite. Uzani?
Yeah.
Ngingasitshela ngama 1.5 kodwa ngama 1.5 la
mamela
izozo.
Yeah.
And ngitshela
Sekhaya guys. Like sekhaya la. Sekhaya shona. Nyabo.
Yes.
Mamela bathini? Uzongithini? Obathi.
ngomshaya.
Ngithe sorry. Bathi yimi ne so uKatlego okay my content producer said Katlego yena lo ne she might be working with us and then hi guys
Okay, the reason why I said Uguti Katlego is going to work with us, it's when we're doing the whole interacting with our supporters and stuff. I need to me, namang posted and to Facebook, nizenze big. Hey, nazenza big nazaza nang maiza nang shanga mapokani pendula Wednesday. Any interviewing ini Monday. So, okay, asning school one. 1.5 asning school
yeah
so, but 1.5. That's why I said she's gonna work with us. She's actually a nice person.
She is.
She's more than a supporter. As much as my 2 episodes our director/producer. Okay, there's a difference between a content producer and a producer. Content producer or producer any content brings ideas towards content. So Asiba tuwa Katla Maraya. So our producer is literally like the creator of the show. We are a producer, everything that we shot and stuff. So let's actually give a round of applause for our producer. So yeah, our producer/director Uyabuzugusi Uvumile na. And
So what do you think about that, like you being part of us?
Yo. Amadlozi akaButhelezi. Before uqala mina qala la.
Yeah.
But yebo, mina ngithi yes. Ngithi sivumile. Manje idlozi
Zilivumile abaningi bathukile
izinto zijikile.
Dala ngisho mina. Okay guys, so ngiyamuzwa ngithi ukuthi athi idlozi la kaButhelezi lithini, so which is okay guys, like I don't have any problem with it whatsoever, as much as I ngithathe isihlalo sami sobukhosi ngipresenter phela la driver mina. So guys, last words to our people abakubukelile nje, like oh okay sisomdala guys
the expose and like izwakala Boss TV
as a whole, yes,
ba right la bantu guys basha ngicela ukuthi masimbiza ngithi ngiwinya zifaka because nami ngizonibiza
mamela
ne masimbiza nizeni guys ekela nama 1.5 angithi siyasebenzisana sonke akiri ka ufela remo industry ke bana ba industry and uskaba muthu o close minded how ubitsa
ngibona opportunity exactly
ungacabangela izinto zamanje nathi report or isaka cela ucabange futhi ubuye la ekhaya sakhe encourage ukuthi uze la uzohlala nathi, okay, because awazi ukuthi either expose ngakuthatha like honestly speaking, yes, you understand. So guys, let's open haluhanyo guys ini lento le uyisebenzise ungacabangela imanje, think about the future, okay? So masimbiza la ku the expose or whatever zwakala Boss TV when she does anything, please come guys sangicela, okay? Sure.
Sengicela, please come. Man ngibone ku Battle of the DJs, who's presenter. How was that experience ke?
Guys, tops. Mawungazi uyazi ukuthi ngiyapresenta le. Lalela ngegodlozi.
Mamela, hello.
Yeah, I was enjoying enjoying each and every bit of it. Funda ukuthi yabona la ngathi singafaka mara sokhuluma
manje abantu bethu bangathi since vele kungasisho ku competition mebangathi bafuna ibuye.
Hi guys, mawungabe wena ufila ukuthi uyayi-enjoy i-Battle of the DJs, just comment down below ukuthi ufuna season 2 siyabuya. Sizobuyela sitwafi mosinyani nathi.
Ay nani nzile kamakalo sikalebala ukuthi mamela sasemunemunati chillers khona la ekhaya, and then ayo iyabuya ke guys. So thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Like but yeah guys, that's it from me, Pablo, and my lovely guest KATLEGO, and the team as a whole, EXPOSEe guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Jetsa chomi ijetsa gogo nomkhulu ukuthi hayi man batshele sontweni ukuthi khona EXPOSEe man. Road to how many subscribers? I'm road to how many subscribers?
Okay,
3K subscribers.